FIRST Alumni of Robotics at Ohio State. We're about 3 days project team. Here is the day 2 recap.
Hi guys, welcome to OSU Robot in 3 days. This is a prototype for our intake that we've been working on. This is getting towards the final stages before it actually goes on our robot later today. So we've got a couple mechanism wheels on either side to center the ball into our traction wheels here to pull it actually inside our frame perimeter. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate it here. And all it requires is very, very light contact with the ball, and actually it's rather low RPM too.
Hi everyone, this is day 2 of Ri3D at Ohio State, and I'm here to talk about our control panel mechanism. I'm going to step up on the stool here, and I'll explain a little bit. So right now we are gearing our mechanism with a 35:1 ratio with the 775 Pro from Vex Pro. What we're aiming on doing is going up and slamming right against the control panel table with the frame of our robot right here. And we got the geometry correct within the CAD so that whenever we slam up against the table, these compliant wheels directly interface with the control panel, and it's able to spin it directly from here. We're also going to be adding our color sensor from the FTC kit of parts, the one from Robotics, one that's been discontinued previously. And we're mounting it right to the side here using a pneumatic piston, so it's able to go outside of the frame perimeter, so it's able to avoid the bolts and then have a full scope of the actual board. And we're going to be encapsulating the color sensor within a small piece of tubing. On this tubing it's going to have a brush on the bottom of it, so it's able to seal out all light, and then we're going to place an LED inside of it so that we get the correct reading every single time, and it's always consistent.
My name is David.
My name is Allie.
And we worked on the CAD of the robot as of now. So currently this is what we have up to date of the robot right now in the CAD. I primarily put in the electronics, most of the chassis work, and updating it as we keep on going through this build process.
And I added the ramps and designed the ramps and put in the large support beams that go up in the air.
CAD is really important because it gives you this virtual environment to kind of have an idea whether certain mechanisms or if your robot will be able to accomplish certain tasks. Having a model is really helpful to do this. For example, if you're trying to figure out if your mechanism will fit into this frame perimeter or starting position, it's really good to have a model of it ready and kind of have an idea if it'll fit or not, or how high your mechanism might be able to reach up to, other than just using pure math to figure it out. It makes it just a little bit easier.
And not only is it a resource for the team that is using it, but it can also help various other teams who may not be as experienced in CAD, and that could be a great help to FRC teams who are rookies.
But other than that, there's a lot of free CAD out there you guys can use to CAD up your robot. And there's a lot of communities out there to help you with the CAD as well, such as GrabCAD, Thingiverse, ChiefDelphi, GitHub. There's a lot of resources you can use to get like additional parts or help with your CAD.
So this is my prototype for a device that allows the whole robot to roll back and forth on the tilting bar once it's grabbed onto it. So it has 2 rollers that are just free rollers that ride on the bar, and then 1 drive wheel on the edge. So once it grabs the bar, that drive wheel exerts just a little bit of pressure. You can see it's not powered right now, but if I do spin the wheel, it starts to drive it along the bar. I need to make some adjustments to make the pressure on that drive wheel a little bit greater so it doesn't slip on the bar, but aside from that, I think this is going to be a workable prototype.
Thank you for sticking around. You can check out our ChiefDelphi thread, which has all of our documentation, on our website, firstrobotics.osu.edu, and our Twitch channel, twitch.tv/FirstRoboticsOSU. Thank you.